Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today I'm going to be showing you how to import your own clients as well as services directly into SPP without reaching out to us. Let's get into it. Now that we're signed into our account, we can go ahead and navigate into the clients table from the sidebar here and click on the action menu on the top right. Within the action menu, you're going to see an import button like the one here. Please note that this is only available on V3. If you do not see this button, simply reach out to us and we'll migrate you over to V3 as soon as possible. On the small pop-up, you're going to see a download the import template button, which you can click on to get redirected into our Google Sheet template. Within the Google Sheet template, you're going to go into File, Download, and Download as CSV. Once this is downloaded, you're going to edit it on your computer and then run the import. Alternatively, you could just make a copy of this template and fill it out on your Google Sheets directly, then export that as a CSV file instead. Once you're ready with all of your changes and your import template is completed, you can go back into SPP and drag it into here to upload it. Once we drag the client CSV into here and it gets uploaded, we can go ahead and click on preview to confirm our changes. And it's going to show us a little preview inside of SPP so you can see who's being imported and with what information. Here you can see that we're able to set up all kinds of information about different clients, from their names to emails, as well as their companies, tax IDs. Anything that is basically important is going to be stored over here. You can also add a note for every client, and they can have different notes so you can indicate that they have been imported, as well as adding them in different statuses if you'd like, with balance or without balance, and opt-in via email, etc. Once we've confirmed that everything is alright, we can go ahead and click on import, and this will import these clients into SPP. So these are all the 3 clients that we have just imported into SPP in their different statuses. And if you'd like to make any edits to any one of them, you can go into their accounts directly and click on edit to do so. You can also import services directly into your SPP account, as I mentioned earlier, without having to reach out to us at all. To do this, you can navigate into services, click on the action menu on the top right, click on import, and open the template again as we did from earlier. On this Google Sheet, similar to how we did earlier, you're going to find the template that you can download along with notes to describe how you can fill each and every column. Again, you can either download this and make the changes, or you can go ahead and make a copy to your own Google Drive and make the changes from there. If you'd like to add any extra columns that aren't mentioned here, you can go ahead and add them towards the end, as it mentions in this note here. Once the file with all of your services is ready, you can go back to the screen, drag it into the uploader, and then preview. Here, once again, you can see a little preview of all of the services you're going to import. Once you've confirmed that everything is alright, you can go ahead and click on import, which is going to import the services into your workspace. Again, this is going to be a pretty quick process, so if we go ahead and refresh, we should see the new import folder right over here. As you can see, these are the services that we just imported into SPP, and they show up. You can go ahead and add them to your order forms or send the payment link directly to your clients from here. You can also go ahead and rename this folder to something that makes a little bit more sense. So if we go back to the services table, click on the 3 dots here, click on edit, we can go ahead and rename this folder to something like imported services. Once that's done, as you can see, the imported services folder is here. You can navigate into it and make changes to these services if you need to. This has been a quick tutorial on how to import your own clients as well as services to SPP. If you have any questions or struggle with any of these steps, you can reach out to us directly at support@spp.co. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.